Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we will discuss about the minimum chi-square estimation, and this method is usually for finding the like in the maximum likelihood estimator we are finding the parameters. Similarly, in this method we also estimate the parameters of the models. So now let us discuss about the method of minimum chi-square estimation. So chi-square estimation is a statistical method to estimate the parameters of a model by minimizing the chi-square statistic, which measures the discrepancy between the observed and the expected data under the model. It is commonly used in the goodness of fit test and parameter estimation for categorical or bind data. So where what is mean by the expected or the category or observed data? So suppose that we have a data which is already expected. We are expecting this data should be there, and when we observe the data, this is called the observed data. And suppose my thinking is that expected value should be lies between the 10 to or it should be 10, right? But when I was observing that my observed value which lies 9, 10, 11, many more, so it is called a observed value, and this e called a expected data. Now, the what is the chi-square statistic? So chi-square statistics looks like chi-square equal to summation O minus E whole square upon EI, where O is the observed data and E is the expected frequency for the ith category or bin, and where is N is the number of categories or bins. Now, let's discuss an example. Suppose you are conducting an experiment with the following observed frequency and three categories. Suppose we have O. O means that we have data 20 and 30. And the expected one is theta, 2 theta, and 3 theta. And this is actually expected and the linear relationships. Now, by the formula of chi-square, we will find the, because chi-square says that summation of xi square, xi, or we can say O minus E whole square upon E. So by the putting of these values, we will get final the values which will be 0. And suppose that our expected values are 10, 20, and 30. So we'll put these values and we will get a 0. So this indicates that when this is a perfect fit between the observed and the expected frequency. Why? Because our expected value were 10, 20, and 30, and our expected value are also 10, 20, and 30. So automatically it will come 0. So this indicates that our estimation is perfectly fit. What are the properties of these estimations? So there are the total four properties: asymptotic efficiency, consistency, goodness of fit, and sensitivity to binding. First is efficiency. Efficiency means that the lower variance. It has the lower variance because it achieves the lowest possible variance when the sample size grows. So that is efficient. Second one is consistent. Consistency is also converted to the sample size. When sample size increases, automatically it converges to the true parameter values. The third one is the goodness of it is minimize chi-square. Third one is minimum chi-square value can be used to test the goodness of fit the, for the data. And the sensitivity to binding means that depends upon the how data is bind or categorized. And some important points are also given which we can learn. So thank you so much for watching. If you are looking for any other help, we are here for help you. Thank you so much.